Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into learning how to use Trello's board calendar view effectively in 2025. First up, log into your Trello account and open up the board you want to view in calendar format. This helps us because it's the starting point for any Trello activity, and choosing the right board is crucial for effective project management. Now that we've done that, let's activate the calendar power-up. You'll find the Show menu option on the top right-hand side of the board. Click on it and then select Power-ups. From the list of power-ups, find and select the Calendar option. The reason we do this is to enable the calendar view. This function is a game changer, as it helps visualize all your tasks and deadlines in a calendar format, providing a more comprehensive view of your project timeline. Next, you'll see a new Calendar button at the top of your board. Click on it. Now you're in the calendar view. This shows all your cards arranged by their due dates, giving you a bird's-eye view of your project's timeline. Let me explain why this matters. It allows you to spot any potential bottlenecks or conflicts in your schedule and make necessary adjustments. Moving on, if you want to change between monthly and weekly views, click on the Week or Month button at the top right of the calendar. This helps us because it provides flexibility in how we view our tasks, depending on the nature and duration of our project. The weekly view is great for short-term planning, while the monthly view helps with long-term planning. Let's not forget about dragging and dropping tasks. In the calendar view, you can easily change a task's due date by clicking on the card and dragging it to a different date. This is a vital feature as it allows for quick and easy adjustments to your schedule, offering real-time task management. Now that we've mastered Trello's board calendar view, you can easily keep track of deadlines, plan out your tasks, and overall, manage your projects more efficiently. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the key to success with Trello's board calendar view lies in regular usage and exploration. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro before you know it. Until next time.